Hiccups, annoying, random, and impossible to ignore. But what's really going on? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a muscle under your lungs, suddenly spasms. This makes you suck in air super fast and your vocal cords snap shut. That's the weird hic sound. But what causes the spasm? Could be eating too fast, fizzy drinks, spicy food, or even just laughing too hard. Sometimes nerves in your body get triggered and boom, hiccups attack. Most hiccups go away on their own, but if they stick around for more than 2 days, talk to a doctor. Next time you hiccup, remember, your body's just throwing a tiny random party you didn't ask for.